Prashant?
I think two things. One is really make it easy, and we need to do this as a group. And the second thing is, we've talked about this, have a common currency.
Yeah, so actually they're both the same thing, making it like one thing, meaning making it easy, as you said.
Well, easy would be the buying process, the actual process. So instead of, to your point, coming to you with 20 different creatives for a small budget, if we came up with one creative, you know what? You may say, wait, this is easy. If it works, I can actually double, triple it. So that's the easy part. And the common currency is the measurability. And measurability not in terms of, as Deb has said, a click-through or a CPC, but in terms of value.
Sure.
I think marketers have to look at it from a long-term perspective. It's not tactical advertising. It's something that is evolved. It's dynamic. The measurability will come in, the metrics will come, the parameters will come in, and as long as you have faith in the medium, as long as you have faith in that your brand is bigger than the medium and it's not dependent on the medium, then I think you'll be okay.
Sure.
You're forcing me to give a very short, snappy answer, but I don't think there's a short, snappy answer to this. The first thing about this is, how do you define practice? I said 20% of the budget. How do you know whether it is right or wrong, or is it too low or too high? And I think you would want it to be 100%, I'm sure. But the point is, see Vishal, since he has a 500 set and they're all on laptops and mobiles, it makes sense for him to spend a lot more on digital. For a mass brand, it might not be. So, in addition to what Atul was saying, put the brand in the center, I would say put the consumer in the center from a client's perspective, and then define what is the right level. In addition to that, I think people like us, you've heard of the frog in the water story. If it's on a slow boil, it doesn't require the need to change, and that's similar to our predicament at the moment. There is no real hard need to change for me to move away from print or TV, especially if I'm in a mass market. But I think I have to force myself to kind of do this, and it kind of, like you said, owe it to myself from a long-term perspective. It's not easy because you've got to have budgets, daily issues and stuff. But there is no short answer but doing the hard work of training yourself and asking your agency hard questions. And when you don't know, don't pretend that you know. Because I honestly feel sometimes that the agency knows a lot more, but then they have to do the hard work of coaching us, which sometimes they don't do. So, like I said, there is no short answer. But if we define what is right, if the client, like me, takes the onus of learning the medium from a long-term perspective, and if you force the agency to do the hard work of, go beyond the matrix and the budget, but also coach us on what is possible on the internet, I think we'll get there.
I think it all goes back to actually keeping the basic tenets of marketing at the center of whatever you want to do. This needs to be treated as, you need to be media agnostic, find out what are the marketing objectives, find out where your audience is, where is spending time, what is the reach that you are getting, what is the target audience that you are reaching out to. I'm sure there can be cases where the target audience that you are looking to is actually more on this medium than anywhere else. So I wouldn't say that for the universal target audience. I think that needs to be at the center of any discussion to make it move from just about an experimentation to practice. And the other part is creativity. I think lot of communication, lot of advertisement is just about how you communicate. And today when we sit across, it is like that's the last leg of any kind of a discussion. Settle the media plan, do everything, let's keep the creativity to the last end. I think that doesn't help. I think storyboard stage itself should take into account that you need to actually build creative for the digital medium. I think these are the two things that would actually help taking it from a practice to a practice stage.
The last word from Ramani.
Dev has actually covered parts of what I wanted to say. Thanks, Dev. But essentially, what we find in the market is a client who's already your client, okay, and you're doing work for him, is far easier to grow him organically and take him to multiple levels and grow him to multiple levels than relatively when you compare it to a new client who has questions and questions and questions and more questions, right? So given that combination, it's a fair choice to go and just build